Entrepreneurs who learn multiple skills survive crises better than those who depend heavily on partners. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for joining us again today on Wisdom Minute as we move on these lessons from the tortoise. We're on the 4th episode today, and what we're discussing is what I call the tortoise independence. Why relying on yourself wins every time. The tortoise is a wonderful animal, and we've seen it in the course of this series. Look at the tortoise. It moves slowly. It carries everything it needs with it. Its body, its cell, its tools for survival. It doesn't rely on anyone else. It thrives because it can take care of itself. Now look at human life. Many people depend too much on others, guidance, protection, or opportunity. Even the inbuilt guide that God installed in all of us, the intuition that we mentioned in the Shark series, they ignore it. They depend on external help. They don't use what God gave them. When support disappears, progress stalls. Entrepreneurs who learn multiple skills survive crises better than those who depend heavily on partners. Elon Musk, for instance, applied multiple disciplines himself, building companies without waiting for external validation. The tortoise teaches a powerful truth. True strength comes from self-sufficiency. See, you can't sustain what you can't build. So, as much as it's good to do partners, you rely on other people, but you should be able to build strength. That even if there's nobody, you can self-sustain. When you can rely on yourself, nothing can stop your progress. So build your independence and thrive, because you can't rely on people for so long. The tortoise wins because it carries all it needs and is self-subsistent. And if there's a lesson we're learning from the tortoise today, it is that independence. I hope you got something today. This one, thanks so much for your time. And by the way, if you are new to this channel, please do well to click on the subscription button, turn on the notification so that once we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Until I see you in the next one, thanks so much for your time. Bye-bye.